What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are back and working on the Lexus Is300, and today I got Nrg steering wheel I will be installing. I already have one on, so I'm just kind of swapping it out because the one I have is pretty dusted. I kind of messed it up, so it's kind of my fault, but we are putting a new one on and let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so here's the new steering wheel that I will be installing. This is a real beauty. This is an Nrg steering wheel, and it did come in this nice box. Pretty cool, nice and detailed. It did not come with this Lexus horn button. It did come with this Nrg horn button. I did buy this separately. I bought this on eBay. It was like $10, but it did take like 2 months to get here. So yeah, that kind of sucked, but it's whatever's. But yeah, this is real nice. Nice quick release steering wheel. It is, I think, at 350 millimeters, and it is a deep dish, and yeah, I love it. It is leather as well. I was thinking either the leather or the suede, but I do have a red suede one and I pretty much destroyed it, so I went with the leather, and I think it's gonna give it a nice little kind of OEM style look. So I think it'll look good. Here's the beauty herself. She has been sitting for a fat minute. Today I turned it on in the morning, and like probably like a good month or two I'm pretty horrible at starting it up and stuff, but let's try to get some light in here. But here is my steering wheel. This one was brand new when I got the car, so it did come with the steering wheel, but as you can see, I did not care for it at all. I would just use it with my oily ass hands, and it has some good wear and tear, and it's not even a year old. But that, again, that's my fault again for not taking care of it. And I do have a quick release. Just need to see if I can do this with one hand. Yes. Dang it. Let's see. Deal with this one. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, so with the quick release, it's just like this little button, and then you slide this collar up and it releases the wheel. It's pretty cool. Like, makes this cool noise. Like, so you pretty much go on there. Oof, like a little ding. But yeah, but I'm gonna be swapping this wheel out. So I'm gonna go ahead, take this out, and we'll meet you guys with the new wheel. So here's a comparison with the old wheel and the new wheel, and that right there is a good mighty difference. I don't know what I want to do with this wheel. I think I kind of want to like carbon overlay it, so take off the suede and just like carbon fiber overlay it. I think that'll be pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie, because this is a no-no. That's pretty gross, and that one's gonna look a lot better. So all I really need to do is take out these screws. I think it's just let's see, it is a 3mm hex. Looks like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just unloosen these screws all around and just swap it out. Alright, so this is the actual quick release. And you can see right here, this is a little dot right here, so that indicates that that is the center. So you're gonna want your wheel to center right here. So for example, I'll put my steering wheel right on the dot right here. That way it's nice and center. So you want this center to be right on this little dot or indent right there. Alright, so we got my quick release nice and on. I did have like these little plugins for the horn, but I have no horns, so that doesn't really matter for me right now. If I end up plugging in my horns, I will go ahead and try to figure this out, but for now I'm not really too worried about it. It's basically just like a little horn button. You press it and it's basically the horn. But yeah, let's go ahead and go put this on and see how it looks. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's put this bad boy on. Oh shit. Wow. Yeah, this is just what I wanted. This is like kind of like an OEM type of look, you know, black leather. Yeah, I think I made a great decision right here. Man, I am seriously loving this steering wheel. Like, just like the perfect touch, you know, not too flashy, not too much, you know, just a perfect amount of everything. I love it. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I know it was pretty quick, but it was just a nice little quick video of me swapping out my steering wheels. It wasn't really much of an install because everything was pretty much all installed, like the hub and all that. I did put on the quick release myself, but that was like kind of when I got the car, and I didn't really record that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this nice little video, and I have a lot more coming, so I hope you guys stay tuned for that and stay progressing. Have a good one, guys.